Dear learners, welcome to the online class of Naogaon PM Girls High School. I am Anwar Hussain, Assistant Teacher in English, Naogaon PM Girls High School. Dear learners, once again I am in front of you with a new video, and in this video we are going to learn gerund and its functions in a sentence. At first, let's know what a gerund is. You know, gerund is a type of non-finite verb in an ing form, but in a sentence it functions like a noun. In fact, gerund is a kind of verbal noun and it acts both as a noun and as a verb in a sentence. That is why gerund is called double participle piece in English. Now dear learners, I like to tell you how a gerund is formed. Let's see how a gerund is formed. Gerund. V1 plus ing functioning as a noun is called gerund. If ing form of the verb functions as a noun in a sentence, it is called gerund. Now I like to tell you the functions of gerund in a sentence. You know, as gerund functions as a noun, it can be used in 4 positions of an English sentence. So let's know them. At first, we can use gerund as a subject to a verb. As gerund is used as a noun in a sentence, it can be used as a subject to a verb. Let's see an example. Talking is an art. Dear learners, here in this sentence you can see ing form is used with the verb talk, and this has been used as the subject to the verb is. So talking is a gerund, and gerund can be used as a subject to the verb. Here talking has been used here as subject and it functions here as a noun. We can use as an object to a verb. We can use gerund as an object to any verb. Let's see an example. She loves dancing. Here you can see ing form of the verb dancing has been used here in this sentence as object to the verb loves. That is why dancing is called gerund. Let's see as object to a preposition. We can use a gerund as an object to preposition. Let's see an example. He is fond of singing. Here ing form of the verb singing has been used after the preposition of, and it functions as an object to the preposition. So this is called a gerund. As a complement. You know, complement is anything that completes the predicate. Now let's see how a gerund can be used as a complement in a sentence. Let's see an example. His hobby is fishing. Here, ing form of the verb is used after the linking verb is, and it functions as a complement. So, we can use a gerund as a complement in a sentence. Dear learners, I think you have got some clear ideas about gerund and its function in a sentence. I also hope you have been benefited much after watching this video. Thank you for watching this video. I will be present in front of you with a new video. Till then, be good, be happy. Thank you all.